It's true, mommy. God, you're so. There is none like you, Jehovah. The dining table and the bed is finally here. I can't believe I did this. I can't believe. I think it will take me days. It will take me months. All I know, everything is God. And thank you for always. You taught me the right way. You taught me the right way of God and everything. And now napenda sana. Congratulations, guys, and happy anniversary. Happy 27th anniversary. So this was a gift from me to you guys for your wedding anniversary, 27 years. Yeah, now napenda. Mwah. Hi guys, well, finally the day is here and it is time to surprise mom with her new home. Guys, the house is fully furnished and she'll just move in. And I'm not talking just my mom, my dad, and my siblings, they're all gonna move in with just their clothes. And to God, amazing. I'm feeling a bit emotional, like my emotions are just like this. But I just want to say thank God for enabling me to do this. It's been a dream of mine for months and months and months. And I still feel like it's not real. Like I feel like, really, me? I did this? But it's not me, it's God. And thank you to all my service providers that decided to come on board on this project. As a family, we just want to thank God. And I hope mom will be happy.
She will be.
Yeah, I hope she'll be happy. I hope I have brought one of her dreams alive.
You've done very well.
Yeah.
And it came from your heart.
Yeah. This is a labor of love. It's a labor of love.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Be well. Thank you, Breezy. Breezy jana.
Breezy.
Jana yes. Kidogo ainue kikombe. Kidogo. Lakini alikuwa ameshika kamera. Kidogo ainue kitu.
But hata kitu nyamjui bebo ulikuwa
kwa nile ni hao he.
Hata nikwambia Breezy tumepanga naye hiyo kitchen. Fridge
alipoint sana ameshika tripod. Leba.
Mtu wa mkono.
Man, but thank you so much to the entire team.
Yeah.
It's finally here, guys.
It's a good day.
Yeah, my husband kept on telling me from the morning it's gonna be a good day.
It's gonna be a good day.
Yeah.
It'll be a good day. Niko hapa. Mnyi mnanionanga. Unanionanga wewe. Nikikuja ni baraka imefika. The name is blessed to be a blessing.
Blessed. Kai basi nasikia anxiety. Wanjiro, Aki my best friend. Wanjiro.
So where is Wanjiro here?
Wanjiro is here. So this is the plan. We've told my mom that I'm taking them for lunch. But before that, Wanjiro bought for her mom her house. So Wanjiro bought for her mom a house. So we are coming to see the house. If she likes the house, we will definitely get it.
I used to have a new house.
Me 27. Teach us your ways. Teach us your ways.
How are you, my dear?
Hi. I finally get to meet.
Yes. Oh, I'm glad. Kinipoa mimi hata si
muone ndani kujeni kabla hao akina nani wakuje wazazi wake wakuje waone oka mom dad kujeni ni Gladys Gladys so mom dad yes one day we shall do this for you one day we shall do this for you
Amen.
and we believe
this is your house. Welcome home.
Hallelujah. Oh, this is your house, mom.
This is your house, mom. Congratulations. Karibuni nyumbani.
Really?
God, I thank you, Father. Oh God. Oh my God, I can't breathe. Why are you crying?
Welcome home.
Is it?
Are you serious?
Oh, mommy. It's true, mom.
Yeah?
It's true, mommy. Welcome home.
Huh? Amen.
Oh God, you're so good. There is none like you, Jehovah.
Everything you know is in
May God bless. May God do you good. May God meet at the point of your name.
Amen.
I'm so happy and I bless the day I bore you. Oh God. I can't believe it. Thank you, Jesus.
Yes. Happy anniversary.
Thank you. Sorry. What your mom has done for me this very day. One day, you do it for her.
Karibuni nyumbani.
Asante.
Huku mnahama tu na nguo.
Mjeni happy all. Serve this God. Mtumikie tu at your coach serve this God. Yes.
So now let me show you around the sitting room.
What a mighty God we serve! What a mighty God we serve! The angels bow before Him, heaven and adore Him. What a mighty God we serve! Amen.
Fully Adi shopping. Come.
Oh my, look at this.
So we bought you a coffee maker. My dad really loves coffee. So don't forget a coffee maker, a blender. Umekuwa kinama for quite a long time. Umenifulia nguo, umefulia my brothers
For that 1 year.
for 30 years. Now you have a washing machine.
Wow.
Amen. Thank you, Jesus.
So you're no longer hii inatosha hadi duvet. For 10 kgs duvet unaosha tu hapa juu.
So you're no longer what?
She's no longer bending down.
Bedding.
Na mama nataka mfunge macho.
Close your eyes, macho.
Ayashika nini?
Nita muno.
That's 27.
You have sacrificed so much. Umejivumilia sana. And so, simameni hapo. Fungeni macho mama. Kama iko. Haya, Haya, 1, 2, 3. Welcome to your bedroom. So ile TV iko kwa nyumba tutaiweka hapa.
Amen. Zari,
Kwa nyumba
this
hii.
is my bed.
No, Ronga using one side, it's not two sides.
Now unaweza tokea like rich people unatokea hivi. We have used one for all those years.
All those years.
Na ndio vikuha maguru.
Ini room ya Sami na wajiko wake. So hiyo kitanda iko nyumbani. Uko na mattress.
Yes, hapa
India sheets. Watakuja watengeneze. Ndio hii bafu yenu pia nyinyi.
Asante.
Bafu yenu ndio hii na bafu tena.
no sharing.
Na masaa yao ujue inatik kwa hii nyumba.
Masaa
yao.
Tasike.
Hiyo mitabaki kuwa ya Nyambura. Ndani ya hope. This is going to be hope soon.
This one.
Masharia. Matress yake. Bafu yake. No more sharing. Kila mtu ako na bafu sasa.
Thank you, Jesus.
So guys, Aki, my mom is just speechless. I think ako ameona vitu she can't imagine. Amesema alali huku. Analala huku. Alali arudi nyumbani. But yeah, so that's the house. I don't know what to say. I'm also speechless. But all in all, we thank God. Finally.
So, hey Jackie, I've been watching you cry for the last 2 hours, so I understand just how this has impacted you. I would like you to know this has impacted all of us, just as it has impacted you. Like this is as big as you feel it is. This is a very good gift for your parents. I don't believe at any moment, the day your mother brought you into this planet, she ever thought that this would be a possibility. I had her bless the day you were born. And that hit me in my soul. The woman who brought you into this world has blessed the day you were born. Thank you so much for being a pioneer in this. I hope very many other people get to do this when they get a bit of financial stability. They get to remember where they're from. I actually called my mother, immediately after this happened, and this is such a beautiful day. Thank you for touching your parents' lives. Thank you for being you. Thank you for your big heart. Thank you for being the amazing woman you are. I love you so much. And God bless you. Yeah, obviously he did. He sent me. Blessed to be a blessing. I will make sure you remember this day.